Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today I'm going to show you how to add text to your video in Premiere Pro. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. For this example, I've dragged a video clip onto the timeline, and I'm just going to use this as my background. To add the text, let's first select our Type tool by selecting it in the Tools panel or by pressing T on the keyboard. Then click anywhere in the video in the program monitor and start typing, and the text will automatically appear. Premiere will also create a little pink graphic clip and place it above your video clip in the timeline. This clip can then be moved around on the timeline or shortened or lengthened depending on how long you want your text on screen. We can also right-click at the beginning of our graphic clip and add the default video transition, which is the cross dissolve, and do the same at the end of the graphic clip, and now it will fade in and out nicely. To actually edit the text properties, with the text tool still selected, select the text in the program monitor by dragging and clicking from one end to the other, or by double-clicking it to select all the text. Once the text is selected, you can go over to the Effect controls and scroll down to Text. Here you can change the font and font size, change the text to be bold or italic, and in the Appearance section, you can change the text color, add a stroke, add a background to your text, and add a drop shadow. In the Transform section, you can move your text around, scale the size up or down, change the rotation of your text, and change the opacity or transparency of your text. If you prefer to just drag the text around in the program monitor to move it, you can do this with the Selection tool. I hope this little video helps with adding text in Premiere Pro, and if you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please think about subscribing. Thanks for watching today's video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.